So when I was about 7 years old, I was laying in my bed trying to fall asleep, and then I looked at the clock. 4 a.m. I've never been up this late before. My parents are gonna kill me, but it's not my fault. I've been trying to fall asleep. I've been laying in bed for hours now with my eyes closed. I've been doing my best, but I just can't fall asleep. I don't know what to do. Why is this happening? So for my entire life, I had huge problems with falling asleep. I don't know if I have insomnia or something, because I never been to a doctor to diagnose me, but it seems like insomnia because it always took me a long time to fall asleep. In average nights, it would take me like at least an hour to fall asleep. So this is average nights. This is pretty much every night. And then there was nights when I just didn't fall asleep at all. Like it would take me 7 hours and then I would just give up. Laying in bed for 7 hours with your eyes closed, trying to fall asleep is pretty torturous. It's really boring and you're really frustrated because you know that you're gonna be tired the next morning. You know that you will have no energy, but you're trying your best and there's nothing you can do. At least it seems like there is nothing you can do. So this feeling of boredom, helplessness, and then just frustration, it's really horrible. And at one point I was really sick of it and I said to myself, like, I'm gonna do anything it takes and I'm gonna fix this. Like whatever it takes, I'm gonna do it. I just need to fix this. And I did. For the last month I've been sleeping like a baby. It takes me like 5, 10 or maybe 15 minutes to fall asleep. So this is a miracle for me. I've never been able to fall asleep this fast in my entire life. This is amazing. And it's all because I decided that I was gonna do whatever it takes, even if it's difficult. And I'm gonna teach you how. But you have to keep in mind the same thing. So if you wanna fix your sleep, if you're really sick of falling asleep late, then you're gonna have to do something difficult. This is not gonna be easy, but if you really wanna see changes and you're really sick of falling asleep late, then you're gonna have to take this seriously. Try these 3 tips that I'm gonna give you for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. And you're never gonna want to go back. So tip number 1 is to not use any technology, and that means your phone or your computer or TV or anything, at least an hour before bed. I know so many of you goblins will click off this video now because, oh, if I can't use my phone an hour before bed, then what will I do? I'll be bored. But read a book, write something. I literally don't care what you're gonna do. If you want to fall asleep fast, you're gonna have to take this seriously and you're gonna have to turn off your phone. Like literally what I do is I take my phone, I turn off the internet, I turn on the airplane mode and I just put it down and I don't even touch it until the next morning. Again, if you want to fix your sleep, you're gonna have to take this seriously and I promise you it's gonna be worth it. The next tip is gonna be to turn off the light at least a few hours before bed and turn on a candle and use that as the light. So you can use one candle or multiple candles, just put them below eye level and stay away from getting light from the light bulb in your eyes. A few hours before bed, ideally as soon as the sun goes down. This is because when the light bulb is turned on, when there's light in the room, your body gets signals that it's still daytime. So when your body thinks that it's still daytime, it's not gonna be winding down for sleep because it will think that it's not time for sleep yet. Therefore, it will start winding down when you turn off the lights to go to sleep. And that's not when you want it to start winding down. That's when you want it to already be ready to sleep. The third tip for falling asleep faster is gonna be to not eat anything 2 hours before bed. So have a dinner before that because you also don't want to be hungry. When you're hungry before bed, then you're gonna be up because that pain is gonna bother you. So you want to make sure that you're not really hungry when you go down to the bed, but also you don't want to be like you just ate. You don't want to be full because your body is gonna be processing that food. And when your body is processing the food, it's gonna be active, and when your body is active, that means that you're not gonna fall asleep. So no food just before the bed. So again, these are not easy. These are a whole lifestyle change, but if you wanna see progress, you have to take this seriously. You have to do whatever it takes because I know you're sick of falling asleep late if you relate to it. So that's all I wanted to say for this video. If you liked it and you want to see more, there is plenty of videos on my channel, so you can subscribe if you want to. And that's all I wanted to say for this video. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.